Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at a sparkline. A sparkline is a way to visually represent data in a graphic. So here's what we have. We have the years from 1901 to 2017, the number of home runs hit in Major League Baseball. So we're going to scroll all the way down to 2017. And what we'll do is we'll come right in here and we're going to put the sparkline in. Now this is a lot of data, so we're going to go from B1 all the way to B118 and close the bracket, and you can see how it's represented. Now a smaller representation is going to be from 2000 to 2017, so you will see that represented as well. Sparkline and then B101 to B118. Close. And there you have it here. And then you can see that it did dip down. So you'll look at the data here and see what it represents. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.